everyone, welcome to HauteMamas. Lisa went shopping and to Charlotte Tilbury and she got the lipstick, the new lipstick that just came out called Duchess. It's a rose color and how much was it?
Ridiculous.
30 something, $36 Canadian,
US.
I believe. Oh, US.
Lisa, she's not cheap. She's not a cheap girl.
So we're gonna swatch first, so you guys can see it. It's beautiful though. No patchiness, goes on really well.
Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks are one of my favorite lipsticks.
Me too.
In the world.
And lip pencils, the lip cheat line of lip pencils too.
As noted, because it's just
yeah.
I
Which one is that one?
So this is the Pillow Talk liner, and it is suggested that the Pillow Talk be used with the Duchess.
Okay, yeah. Here's my Pillow Talk. Okay.
So this is like when all else fails and you can't find a color that goes with the thing that you need to find a color for your lips.
Yeah.
I don't know. This one seems to be always
the one. Yeah.
Always.
Yeah.
The one that saves the day. Like when everything else is wrong, this one is always right. I don't know why. It's weird.
But it's magical. It is magical Pillow Talk.
So I'm gonna put this on one lip swatch with this Duchess with this Pillow Talk. No, we're not done yet because we're in the process of
in the middle of something, but we wanted to stop and show you this.
Yeah. So I'm gonna put this on right now.
And I'm wearing Tom Ford's Slow Burn.
No, that's Marc Jacobs.
I mean Marc Jacobs. What am I talking about? Marc Jacobs.
Like, wait a minute, you don't have any Tom Ford.
No, it's Marc Jacobs.
I would know if you had Tom Ford.
It's Marc Jacobs Slow Burn.
Yeah.
Lisa's right.
Tom Ford lipsticks are also insane. But
weirdly, I'm also wearing Pillow Talk lip liner, and it goes with Slow Burn too. It kind of goes with everything,
right? That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
I'm just going to overline just a little bit here and here, and then flatten a little bit my Cupid's bow. Little Wayne Goss thing. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Oh.
Ooh. Oh, I need it now. Oh, darn. I was hoping to get away with it. Oh, that's gorgeous. That looks beautiful. Thank you for showing us, Lisa.
Yay!
Thanks for joining us on HauteMamas.
Charlotte.
We're available everywhere, and if you want to subscribe, it's free. Push the button above Lisa's head. Talk to you later. Bye.